Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is regarding my morning skincare routine. I have a pretty simple skincare routine. I cleanse, tone and moisturize my skin. I have already cleansed my skin with Medimix soap. After cleansing my skin, I like to moisturize my face. So I moisturize using a rose water. This is the Pahada rose water. So I just like to tone my face using this toner. After toning my face, I like to moisturize with Biotique's morning nectar. It's a very nice facial moisturizer. So I like to moisturize a little bit because it's very greasy right now in Delhi. I don't like the temperature at all. So yeah, I take a little bit and I like to dab it on my skin. And you don't forget your neck as well. And last step but is eye cream. So I'm currently using this Mom's Co under eye cream, which I really like. Yeah, so it has a very nice applicator. So you just pump a little bit of eye cream like that and you put it under your eye. And you use this applicator to massage this cream. Don't forget the top of your eye. Yep. I also like to put it on the sides of my mouth because there is where the fine lines are. I'm not saying that I'm wrinkly, but yeah, prevention is better. So I like to massage the cream really well, and this applicator helps a lot. Yeah. Just don't put the cream inside your eye. Yeah, that's about it. So these are the simple steps which I follow. This is my morning skincare routine. If you guys want to see my nighttime skincare routine, do comment them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. That's it. Bye bye.